People of Kenya, borders. Since 1503, we Haitians were paying a big price. You know everything. Some people, some of our borders, too greedy to resist imperialism temptation, sold us out. We didn't want to come here and live in America. We are African and we want to live in Africa. That's what we want. But they sold us. They sold our borders, our sisters. And me, now talking to you, I'm the fruit of one of those people that were forced to leave their country, to leave their loved one to come here in America. Because some of our borders sold us to imperialism. Today, imperialism again is trying